If your Wi-Fi isn't showing in Windows 11 settings, follow these quick steps. Open Settings now by pressing Windows key +I. Choose Network and Internet from the left menu. Check if airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi toggle is visible. If Wi-Fi is missing, run Network Troubleshooter from Advanced Network Settings. Next, open Device Manager by pressing Windows key +X, then M. Look for network adapters and expand to find your wireless adapter. Right-click the adapter, select Update Driver, then search automatically. If updating fails, select Disable Device, wait 2 seconds, then Enable. If problems persist, open Settings, go to Network Reset and confirm. Restart your PC to apply changes, then check Settings, Network and Internet. That should restore Wi-Fi in settings. For more help, see the description.